Now in solutions we will explain the topic, that is lowering of vapor pressure. By adding a non-volatile solute, the vapor pressure of the solvent, pure solvent, is lowered. Suppose, what is vapor pressure? Vapor pressure is the pressure exerted by the liquid when it is in equilibrium with the solvent uh, in a closed container. Now if we add a non-volatile solute to the volatile solvent which is present, now the vapor pressure is lowered. Why? Because the solute is non-volatile, it will not exert any vapor pressure. Now the actual this P naught is the initial vapor pressure of the solvent. Now if we subtract it from the the final pressure, this is called a lowering of vapor pressure. Now lowering of, if we relate it with the initial pressure, we call it relative lowering of vapor pressure, that is delta P over P, which is equal to P naught minus Ps over P naught. P naught is the initial pressure of the solvent, Ps is the pressure of the solution, and P naught is the initial pressure of the solvent. Now this relative lowering of vapor pressure is called as colligative property. What is colligative property? Colligative property is that property of the solution which depends on number of particles, which does not depend on the nature of the solute at the solvent. It depends only on the number of particles which are present in the solution. Now delta P over P is equal to I into X2. X2, Xi2 is the mole fraction of the solute which is present. Now suppose we take an example like moles of K2SO4 to be dissolved in 12 moles of water to lower its vapor pressure by 10 mm He. Like vapor pressure, lowering of vapor pressure is given 10 mm He at the temperature at which the vapor pressure of pure water is 50 mm He. Now we have given the vapor pressure of pure water, that is P naught is equal to 50 mm He. Now delta P by P naught is equal to I into N2 over I into N2 plus N1. What is I? I is the Van 't Hoff factor. Van 't Hoff factor can be calculated like if the K2SO4 is there, it undergoes decomposition by when we dissolved it in the water. So we have total number of ions produced is 3. So I is equal to 3. I is basically the number of ions produced after decomposition, after dissociation, over the ion with the particles which are present, number of ions which are present. So I is equal to 3. Now delta P by P naught is equal to I into N2 over I into N2 plus N1, that is 10 over 50 over is equal to 3, because 3 is I. Now 3 into NB over 3 into NB plus 12. Now we can calculate NB, which is the number of moles of solute present, that is equal to 1 by using the equation.